Just had some nice lassi from Punjab Sindh, located in Hiranandani. Actually, they have got many branches, but this is the closest from my home. यहीं पे आके मैं अपनी लस्सी पीता हूँ. So if you guys live near Powai, do check this dairy out. They have got delicious and really nice lassis. It's not kind of a ride video, it's just a short video, daily observation video. Nothing much, nothing exciting, but you guys still have to watch it. So this part of Hiranandani has got quite a lot of restaurants, frozen bottle and all these other restaurants. So time to make a move. Let's go. So I don't know for how much time my GoPro is going to record, because it has got only 19% of battery, and that too is going down, 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 down. Let's go. So yeah, one second, did I strap my helmet? Oh no, I did not. यार राइडर बनेगा रे तू. चल. So let's go. I hope I got everything, my wallet, my keys, my phone, my mic, my GoPro and me. Let's see what I can show you in Hiranandani. So this is another posh and lavish locality of Mumbai, which is located in Powai. This is not a ride video or something like that. It's just another first daily observation video, and I hope you guys liked my previous video. But the only issue with the previous video was the audio quality. Audio quality was so rubbish. The reason why I had to put those subtitles there was because of the audio quality. So I have done a new setup now, so I hope the audio is fine now. Let's just hope that, and let's just ride. अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो बिना ऑडियो के सुन लेना और एक लाइक दे देना गाइस, बस.
क्या बोलूं रे.
पर हिरानंदानी का ना वाइब भी अलग है. जो मज़ा आता है यहाँ पे राइड करने का, the locality dude, the locality is so good. Look at all these buildings and all. I should be focusing on the road though, not on the buildings. And see, I forgot to turn off my indicators. कैसा राइडर बनेगा तू सिड. यार FZ की लाइट्स ना इतनी पावरफुल है, साला कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. See, I did not even see that pothole there. Oh, by the way, I hope this road is allowed for two-wheelers. Yeah, it is allowed for two-wheelers. See, I see two-wheelers parked over here. Yeah, so I was talking about this locality. It feels like you have come to some foreign country or something when you roam around in this part of the city. साला हर जगह पे स्पीड ब्रेकर्स. इतनी तो स्पीड हमने बढ़ाई भी नहीं मेरे भाई. Oh, that I-20 sounds good though. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but that I-20 sounds dope. Well, look at this locality over here, this area. I'm feeling so poor.
उठा ले रे बाबा, उठा ले.
We'll take a U-turn from the roundabout. By the way guys, I hope you can hear me well. I know I've said this for the third time, but I'm really worried if you guys can really hear me or not. By the way, this area is famous for a YouTuber. If you guys know, you know which YouTuber I'm talking about. I love this place, man. I love Mumbai. It has got that vibe. It has got that energy which inspires you to hustle and work hard. I know I'm being a little philosophical here, but Mumbai is philosophical. Oh, this was the turn that fuck, I missed the turn, man. I had to take that turn. I don't know if I can take a U-turn from here though. I guess I can. So let's just take a U-turn from here and go back to the turn which we missed. I guess my GoPro is going to die now. Yeah, so this was the turn. I don't know, 1 second. Is this the turn? Yeah, this is the turn. Yes. How can I forget, man? मैं कैसे भूल गया इस जगह को? How can I forget this place? This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look around, man. Just look around. All these shops and all these. Oh, Mahindra Thar. Fuck, I love this car, man. Like, oh, is this MN? Yeah, Mumbaikar Nikhil. MN. Arey yaar, shit. Let's see, guys, whom I met here. It's Mumbaikar Nikhil, and I'm just gonna go and say hi. You see, that is Mumbaikar Nikhil and Shanis. It's not a... what kind of width? Where the fuck is my key? Why the heck my mic always gets tangled like this? तो हमेशा टैंगल हो जाता है माइक मेरा. बाद में फिर इसको ठीक करते रहो. So yeah, here it is. I will put the other things in this pocket. Sort. Chicha, रुक जाओ. It's good. Oh. Okay. खड्डा.
So please, sapakara sarakabat saparakarai, sapakara sarakabat saparakarai, sapakara sarakabat saparakarai. Okay, thank you.